Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to rename any folder in Google Drive. For example, I will go to this folder. The folder name is test. As you can see here, there is 3 dots on the right of the folder. I just need to click on them, and after that the third option is rename. I just need to click on that option, and after that choose the new name. For example, I will call it test 2. And when you complete and you choose the name of your folder, you just need to click on OK. And as you can see, the folder name changed to test 2. And like that, you can change the name of any folder or also any file, the same process, and click OK and everything will be edited. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.